So let's come to the listing browser. We have a very well designed listing browser page that is the main search engine page. You can say that all options we have, like for property type, what type of property you need, what are you looking for, are you looking for to buy a flat or property, or are you looking for to have a house for a rent. Then from so much price to so much prices, as far as you need or your budget allows you to search for, and what kind of areas do you need. That's we have put it some dummy areas like Port Melbourne or Praia, Richmond and South Bank areas, so we can set it up to your needs. Then we have include the surrounding suburbs, auction properties, brand new properties, or car spaces you need, bedrooms you need, bathrooms you need. So in that case you can see the properties like this way. You can see the price on the image, you can see the image, you can see the feature list, you can see the description of that area, you can view the property in this grid list view page. You can see a lot of properties on one page depending upon your search, depending upon your needs, and depending upon your budget. So as far as a lot of properties concerned, you can go ahead and see what kind of properties you have here on another pages, and look it on to some more things while search. So that's the main property search page. It can show you the proper specification of any property with respect to the people about the houses, with respect to the car area spaces, with respect to the amazing features, the featured list, and obviously you can see the property by clicking on view button. So all this page is well designed by the designers who can have the credit of doing this. And in a list view we also have an option of a grid view, but that will show you only the properties. You might click on the property and then you can get the detail, but our function was to show the descriptions, the descriptive about the property, and all those details which is needed or which will be needed by a agent to have a look, so that they can search their own listings. So mainly the listing browser comes to the mind that if I have a lot of properties in my box, so I need 4-5 properties which can or could be searched by any other agent to look that this property is vacant or occupied, and they want to reference that property and see how many properties are linked to that property. So in that case they can have their own listings, they can create their own listings and see this property, see those properties which they might have interest in. So in other case we have a listing excuse me, we have a listing browser which works like a Google works. So I just put some keyword into the city, say G, so that will show me the properties related to G, that is a particular keyword. Something which like Google works is when you put only type a word called how, so you can get how to buy a car, how to buy a penthouse, or how to go to this road. So somewhat like that we have built a toggle search which will give you the specified result by adding only one word in the browser list. So when I clicked type a letter called J, so that will show me the results of Jodhpur, say because I have filled J letter. So with one letter it can search, or you can also type whole word to see the result, but you don't need to do that. We have built it so smoothly that you can only enter one letter or first letter of that word that you are going to see, that you need to see, which is coming to your mind. So in other ways you can search the facilities, only facilities that you need. If you want to see something which is related to the name, so you can type it on this box and see result, whether results comes or not. So yes, with the name called DLF colony and DL video, it can search and give you the results. Even if I not close this facility option, so that will give you the result. And also you can do it simultaneously, that you will only need to have this kind of a property. So you can see how many properties are linked and related to it. So after getting the property, we'll find the proper details of that, and you can see that if I click on any button, it will show me the exact property pictures, exact details, exact location, exact number of bedrooms, square foots, which country it belongs to, which state it belongs to, and which city it belongs to, with number of options given into it, will provide you the better information on one page. And if a property agent or a consultant wants to edit it or to update it, it means this is editable. You can go ahead and go to the page and edit it, and whatever needs you have, you just put it on and save it. So that's how the listing browser works. We have two options for the listing browser, that is, first one is the pure gentle look of a search button, filter button, which provides you the property by property details on one page, and another is the toggle search page, which will provide you the better look of how many properties you have in the property details, and you can access it from property detail object. So that will show you the details related to the customer, with response from the customers, and with or from any email notification which that consultant or agent might got from any customer, to see how many details, how many options they going to need in a house for buying a house or for having on a rent. So that's it for listing browser. And then when we comes up to the another part, let me remind you that we have a account section also, which provide you the details of how many accounts you have maintained so far, as in form of leads. You can say that how many properties you have sold so far, how many persons or companies or particular person is related to you, you have served that person, and related to that you also have the contacts, opportunities, cases. In that you can, if you need assistance, you can see the related lists of that. I mean, if you find something, some detail that is asked by a customer, that I need the case number which has been logged on by that person, and you need to close it, so you can click on this and edit button and then close it. So what I supposed to tell you is, you can find all those things related to account on only one page, and you can see how many details you have filled so far, and how you develop all those things in a quick way, so you can use it for your further inquiries, use it for further business.